Doubling the road speed of a vehicle increases the drag by 4 times and requires an 8-fold increase in engine output. The benefits of good aerodynamics are therefore considerable. Better fuel economy and performance coupled with a quieter and more stable ride. When it comes to aerodynamics, Audi were and are at the forefront of development. The Audi 100 introduced in 1982 had a remarkable drag coefficient of just 0.3, which made it the most aerodynamic production car in the world. This figure, formerly the province of theory, was turned into a practical reality only as a result of painstaking research and development over many years. The entire Audi range was subsequently revised along the same lines as the 100. A sleek overall body shape with numerous small but important design features like flush glazing and recessed door handles, rain channels and wipers. Audi have recently installed an unique and advanced 50 million Deutschmark facility at their Neckarzoom plant to investigate the causes of vibrational and acoustic problems. It's a sound-damped and echo-free wind tunnel which can produce a noiseless 140-mile-an-hour airstream. This remarkable commitment to aerodynamic research has allowed Audi engineers to achieve new low levels of interior and exterior noise, based upon measurements which were simply not possible on the open road. Another Audi first is to be the first volume car producer to use fully galvanized sheet steel in the manufacture of all body parts on every model. Galvanization, which is the coating of the steel with a thin layer of zinc, leads to a vastly improved resistance to corrosion, especially that which occurs from exterior damage, such as stone chips. It works in 2 ways. Firstly, the zinc layer physically protects the underlying steel, and so the likelihood of a stone actually reaching the steel is reduced. Secondly, if it does, the zinc sacrifices itself by migrating over the steel and forming a protective layer of zinc oxide, which, unlike rust, is neither unstable nor unsightly. This process can continue over many years, during which time moisture is unable to reach and destroy the steel. The result is an extremely durable vehicle which keeps its good looks and integrity for much longer. Audi had to create and incorporate new manufacturing methods in order to use galvanized metal in volume production. New automatic handling techniques to cope with lowered surface friction, stronger presses with new lubricants, spot welding equipment with greater arm pressure and a higher current, and special suction ventilators to protect the health of the workers. But Audi overcame these and many other technical hurdles to become world leaders in the usage of fully galvanized steel in the manufacture of car bodies. Although all the bodywork is galvanized, Audi go to further lengths to ensure that it's well protected from the rigors of the road. No less than 10 separate processes are involved in the priming, painting and bodywork protection of an Audi. Firstly, the assembled shell is scrupulously cleaned to remove any impurities. Next, it's phosphated, a process which gives a good key for the paints. Then primer is electro-coated onto the shell. The seams are sealed, and to ensure the smoothest possible finish, a primer is applied. Then comes the final coat of paint, with metallic finishes ending with a layer of clear lacquer. To protect internal cavities from the moisture that can collect in them, they're flooded with hot wax, which cools and solidifies into a protective layer. Finally, the underside is coated with a tough layer of PVC. With all the measures against corrosion, it's no wonder that Audi confidently offer a 10-year warranty on their bodywork, in addition to a 3-year paintwork guarantee.